There are many styles of Crystal reports available in Crystal reports. Now today we are using the every style step by step. First of all, this is the first welcome screen of Seagate Crystal reports. There is a first column is create a new Crystal report document using a report expert, using a blank report expert. ठीक है, blank. First of all, we are using the report expert. ठीक है, is there many options available? We are also discuss in future as a blank report and open and existing reports. What is? First of all, I click the using the report expert and press the OK. Is there different styles of available? First of all, we are today discuss standard. After that, we are using the letter form, cross. Every step we are see in this tutorials. We use the report expert and then we select the standard expert. Standard report styles design. Look like this type of report. Press the OK button. The next screen asks us to choose the database want to report on. Which report can be used on database. We select database, and the next screen asks for to select a database. There are different connection styles are available. We are using the fifth one is database file because our database is depending on Microsoft Access. I click the find database and I find the location where my database is located. You can select your desired database using your location of database. My database is located as there. Press the double click on the database. After that double click, the next screen show us our all database tables. Okay, you can see our database table accounts as asset table, assets, bank deposit, withdraw, sale, purchase, customer payments, demand details, a group master, and many tables that we are using in this database. All tables are showed here. Now we are going to make a use a table to create a database like a group master. A simple table using to show you. Press the add button. After the adding, the table is added in a report. Press the close button. At this tab, the connection is automatically created and the table is added into your database and to your report. Press the next button. This is database. Next is button tab is field. There are system show us which field you want to display in your report. At this time the portion is blank. We add the all types you want to show. Press the add button. First of all is the group ID. Second is group name. Third is other means description of this. We can rename the heading. For example, this is the group ID. I change the heading GROUP space after ID. Done. Next, click on the group name and you can change the name group name. If you don't change the system as it is show on the report a name like your field name. Next is other means description, and all names are changed successfully. I press the next button and then the next is group. Is there the report is showed by groups, but at this time we have no groups. We are working on groups table. There is no group we needed. Just we left this a group tab and press the next button. System is ask us to choose a group, but we are just press the finish button because we don't need total, top and chart, select. We don't need everything. Done. And style is our standard style. The title of this report I write here groups or categories. Press the finish button. You can say that our report groups and category as created successfully. There are two types of design available. Is first of this is cluster reports is created successfully. There are the two type of design and preview. At this time we are going to report design. I increase the headers design and move this description to below, and this is the date. I move this date to here, and this is the heading of our report. This I put the center because we need some beauty. And after this we are add a drop down table for the beauty of this report. That's run. After the add the rectangle box, I adjust the area because the center aligned is like a beautiful report. I adjust this report and press the center alignment. Alignment is group and ID. And I want to add also my company name. Go to design and add more space in header of your table and select the everything and press the move all to bottom side and add new text here. Go to insert text here, press the insert one button and text object and click here or add a system add successfully text object. I write some text for heading of this. For example, your company name is what is company name is we are kind what type of, for example, we write exporter styles textile our company name. For example, we just for example go to decorate this, choose a font design whichever and which font style you like to add. I am going to select Time New Roman. Increase the width and height for beauty of this report and increase the size of the text. Press the increase font size. Done. Okay, and also set the bold. Done. This is our report design ready, and I adjust this to center of this report for the beauty. Okay, this is the print date. I change the format of the print date. I right click of the format field and select the design of dates. There are many designs you can see available here. But I select this type of design. Press OK. After this you can see in preview mode. I press the preview. Today is 27th May 2020 and there is no heading. I add some heading here, copy and paste, write the name. I print date report print date. Done successfully. I remove the underline. Okay, done. This is our report area. This is the standard design. We are making some everything in standard design. I move this and press here and move some group name and also this, and this is center alignment because sorry for that. I go to design view and press this. Yes, successfully. and also okay, that's great. We are create successfully our report. Group ID, group name and description. Group ID is 101, soap and sample. You can save this report. Save where you want to save. I just for example I save on desktop using the name of group. Save. I add some data in my group. We can check that the file is updated. First of all, we run our software and add and for example a group. Our software runs successfully. Here I enter the username and password and press the F new and press the new group. That's group name already show 101 and name is soap and description is simple. Our report also save this data. New add computer parts. Next group name is computer parts for computer. This I save record and I check the here the updated or not, press the refresh button. Okay, you successfully add this table. Thanks for your watching. Please keep watching our channel and I request to you, wait a minute please. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Thanks.